Rapigen BIOCREDIT COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test Kit is an in vitro diagnostic medical device used by individuals suspected of respiratory infection to test the presence of COVID-19 virus antigens from collecting nasal specimen samples. BIOCREDIT COVID-19 AG is easy to use, rapid, and accurately detects mutant variants that can be used at or near the point of care without the need of laboratory infrastructure or equipment. Today, we are going to perform the BIOCREDIT COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test Kit. This is a self-test kit. Let me walk you through on how to use this kit. First, it is important that you find a clean place to perform the test. Find the table and sanitize the area. Wash your hands with soap and make sure your hands are dried before you perform the test. Now let's open the kit box and see the contents of the test. Lay the contents on the prepared table and I will walk you through them one by one. Please note that the following components are required but not provided: clock or timer, tissues, mirror, disposable gloves, soap or hand sanitizer. This is the instruction manual. This is the pre-filled assay diluent tube and filter cap. This is a sterilized nasal swab. This is the test device card. This is the waste disposal bag. Let's begin with the test. Gently blow your nose 3 times into a tissue and throw the tissue away in a closed bin. Make sure your hands are sanitized. Put the latex gloves on. Take the pre-filled extraction tube, peel off the cover lid, and place the tube in the tube holder attached on the carton box. Open the sterilized nasal swab, tear it from the tail end, and it's important that you do not touch the swab head. Carefully insert the nasal swab in both of your nostrils, one after another, up to 2 centimeters up your nose, until you feel a slight resistance. Gently wipe the swab around the inside of the nostril, making 10 complete circles. No force is needed. Pick up the extraction tube. Press the tip against the inner edge of the extraction tube with force, while rotating the swab for 10 to 15 seconds. This is to mix your sample into the liquid for accurate specimen collection. Leave the swab in the tube and break the swab stick at the break point. Make sure that the tip of the swab is inserted into the tube. Throw the broken plastic handle away in the plastic bag provided for disposal. Cover the tube with the filter cap to avoid any leaks. Place the extraction tube on the carton box. Peel off the pouch of the test device card. Ensure the test kit is placed properly in the tube carton box. Do not move the test card during the test. Gently shake the extraction tube 10 times and squeeze the extraction tube to place 3 drops of the liquid into the specimen well on the test card. Make sure that you are dropping liquid and not an air bubble. Put the sample collection vial in the waste disposal bag, along with the used swab. Set a timer and wait 15 minutes before you read your test. A positive result can appear anytime after 15 minutes. However, you should wait for the full 30 minutes for accurate results. Do not leave the test to develop for longer than 30 minutes, as this will make the result void. In case of a positive result, 2 lines appear. One color line should be in the control line C, and another color line should be in the test line region T. If the control line T appears, it is considered as positive and recommended that you contact the nearest screening clinic center. In case of positive, you and your household should self-isolate following to the government guidelines. In case of negative results, one color line appears in the control line region C. Negative results should be treated as presumptive and confirmed with a molecule assay for clinical management, particularly in those who have symptoms of suspected COVID-19. When control line C fails to appear, it is considered invalid and recommended you to restart the test. If void result persists, discontinue using the test kits immediately, and you may visit the nearest selective care center for help. Once the test is complete, pull all of the used test kit's components in the waste disposal bag provided, and put this in your general household waste. Wash your hands thoroughly after disposal.